We've got some insane cryptocurrency news for you guys. Market's going crazy. Let's go ahead and get in the video. As the cryptocurrency markets pump and we see this incredible movement, probably from traffic, as we can see gathering data right now. So far we can see it's mostly coming from Russia. As we can see the traffic coming from Russia, most of the buying, and the Ukraine, we see this insane pump. So let's go ahead and get in the charts and the data analytics and check it out. As you can see, we're looking at the charts and we're looking at Bitcoin after an extremely large move to the upside from 34,000 all the way to 44K. As you can see, we're already back up into the green zone when it comes to the overall perspective of things, when it comes to this large trading range between 34,000 and 69,000. As you can see, we're already moving to the upper band now. As far as we can tell, this is coming from Europe as Russia continues. They are fleeing into cryptocurrency because they have been cut off from the SWIFT banking system, which is basically Visa and the whole banking system as a whole. And they are trying to get money and move it around. And as they try to get money and move it around, they are fleeing into cryptocurrency. We're also seeing a flee into cryptocurrency when it comes to people being scared of overall assets and um, and Ukraine, as well as people ask for cryptocurrency donations because of the war. So as you can see, Bitcoin and cryptocurrency behaving very well in a war environment as we made higher lows and higher lows. And I've been talking about on this channel that we would have a breakout to the upside, even though it wasn't likely. I knew that this would happen, and we are testing the top of this wedge exactly. And look at where we're finding resistance at the top of this wedge. We probably will come down and see some resistance, but as you can see, we'll probably bounce around, and Bitcoin makes very large moves to the upside, and then the altcoins follow. So as you can see, if we break out of this bullish pennant here, we could have a large breakout all the way up to the upside, at least to 50K. I mean, realistically. But we could break all the way up to back up to here as an overall trend reversal. But it's very clear that the trend is reversing as you have higher lows, and on the daily time frame, we're above the EMA ribbons. Even on the daily, we just shot above almost all of the EM and the estimated moving averages and the moving averages on the daily time frame in one fatal swoop. Who knows what's going to happen after this? As we see a bull flag forming basically on the lower time frame, which is indicative of a larger move to the upside. So we could even see more upside after this as we feel the buying pressure from Russia and other assets moving into cryptocurrency as a flight of safety, ironically enough. And they're not moving into the dollar, they're moving into cryptocurrency. That's what's so extreme about this situation. And as you can see, all of the altcoins are following, but do not be misled. Bitcoin will move first. It might not move the most, but it will move first, then the altcoins will follow, and then there'll be an altcoin season, but we're nowhere near that yet. So do not be mistaken. Now, we did have a green day in the overall markets, but that doesn't explain why we're still seeing this overall push to the upside in this huge extreme movement to the upside from cryptocurrency. And I really do believe it is from that buying pressure we're seeing. We're seeing Luna at gains of 23%. We're seeing Bitcoin at gains of 15%. We're seeing ETH at gains of 12%, BNB 11%, SHIB at 13%, Matic at 13%, AVIX at 20%, ADA at 14%. Doge at 9%. Everything is overall seeing green in the markets. As we can see, fear and greed moved all the way, just skyrocketed right here into the middle. So it might not be a good time to buy right now. You should have been buying back when the dip was occurring, back when I was telling everyone to buy and accumulate. So if you've been following my strategies, check out my previous videos. You'll see my strategies on how to beat the bear market and how to time these things and find these things out for yourself so you can profit like I did off of these moves from the bottom. As you can see, cryptocurrency coins by top social media analytics, Bitcoin, Ethereum, PancakeSwap, Tezos, Shiba Inu, Doge. So as everything's pumping, you can see what coins are talked about the most right now by internet volume. And you can even use Google Trends to do this, but this is a website called Lunar Crush that kind of consolidates all of that metrics and put it into one asset. And as you can see, Reddit and everything absolutely going crazy for cryptocurrency. So is Twitter, crypto Twitter. Also, AMC and GME doing extremely well in this market as we use those as a market hedge. But let's go ahead and talk about more altcoins. As you can see, overall green in the markets as we look at each individual coin. If we go ahead and go to CoinGecko.com, you can see the coins in each individual asset. So we go to categories and we can see which categories are doing best. And we can see that smart contract platforms are doing absolutely the best out of all of them. Polygon ecosystem coming up in a close third, Avalanche and Moonriver, and so on and so forth. But that is the video. Hopefully you found it informative. If you did, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe for more content, and as always, have fun, stay safe, keep hacking, make money, stay sharp on these markets as we continue to cover this thing. Also, go ahead and like and subscribe for more content like this and check out my previous videos. But as always, have fun, stay safe, keep hacking, make money. Peace out. So that was the video. Hopefully you found it informative. If you did, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe for more content, and as always, have fun, stay safe, keep hacking, make money.